Hello and welcome back to Everyday English Talk on Learn and Success. This is the place where you learn simple English for daily life. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ben. Thanks for joining us.
Today, we're talking about something everyone enjoys, feeling happy.
We all have happy days. It might be your birthday, a family picnic, or a sunny morning with your favorite coffee.
A happy day doesn't always come from something big. Small things can make us smile. Listening to music, watching a funny video, or spending time with friends can brighten your day.
Talking about happy moments is great English practice. It helps you learn words for feelings, daily activities, and people in your life.
It's also a good topic for small talk. You can ask someone, "What makes you happy?" Or, "Did you have a good day?" These are friendly and natural questions.
In today's episode, we'll talk about what makes us happy, share stories, and learn some useful words to describe good feelings.
So take a moment and think about this question. What makes you happy? Let's begin with our first part, talking about a happy day.
So, Ben, tell me about a happy day in your life.
I have many, but one I remember well was last summer. It was a sunny Sunday. My friends and I went for a picnic in the park. We brought sandwiches, fruit, and some games. We sat under a big tree and talked. The weather was perfect. What made it special was being together with good friends. No work, no phone, just enjoying the moment.
That sounds lovely. Simple days can be the happiest. For me, a happy day was my birthday last year. My family gave me a small surprise party. I came home thinking it was a normal dinner, but I saw balloons, a cake, and everyone shouting, "Happy birthday!" We ate, played music, and laughed. I felt loved and thankful. It was simple, but perfect.
Happiness doesn't need to be expensive. Sometimes it's sunshine, a good meal, or time with people you care about.
Here are some sentences you can use. I was happy because I met my best friend. It was a sunny day and we had fun outside. My family made me smile. I laughed a lot. It was a special day.
Now think about it. What is one happy day you remember? Write it in your notebook or share it in the comments.
Let's go over some vocabulary. Good memory is something nice that you remember. Enjoy the moment means to be happy with what's happening now. Feel thankful means to feel grateful for something. It made my day refers to something that made you very happy. And full of laughter describes a time with lots of smiling and laughing.
Now let's move on to our second part, small everyday happiness.
Happiness isn't only about big events. It's also in little moments.
One small thing that makes me happy is my morning coffee. The smell of coffee always lifts my mood.
Same here. I also feel happy when I listen to music. It helps me feel calm when I'm busy.
Talking to friends also makes me happy. Even a short call can make my day better.
And sometimes just stepping outside for a minute helps. Seeing the sky or feeling the sun can change your mood.
Finishing my work and having time to relax also feels great.
Small things matter. A good meal, a smile, or your favorite song can improve your day. When we notice them, we feel thankful.
Practice these sentences. I feel happy when I drink coffee. Talking to friends makes me smile. Listening to music helps me relax. A sunny day makes me happy. I feel happy when I finish my work.
What small things make you happy? Your pet, your breakfast, your favorite show, or the sound of rain? Think about it and say it in English.
Let's review some vocabulary. Smell of coffee refers to the pleasant scent of coffee. Feel calm means to feel peaceful. Make my day better means to improve your mood. A ray of sunshine is something that makes you happy. And small joys are simple, everyday things that bring happiness.
Let's move on to our third part, making others happy.
Can we make other people happy? Yes, we can. Happiness grows when we share it.
A small smile or a kind word can make someone's day better. Smiling at people, saying thank you, and giving compliments create positive moments.
Kind words are powerful. Even one sentence can change someone's mood. Helping others also brings happiness. Carrying something heavy for a friend, listening to someone who feels sad, or sending a kind message creates a warm feeling inside.
Try these sentences. I smile at people. I say thank you. Helping others makes me happy. Kind words make people smile.
Do you try to make others happy? Maybe you smile at your teacher, help your family, or say something nice to a friend. Remember, when you share happiness, it comes back to you.
What a positive episode today. Talking about happiness always feels good.
We learned that happiness doesn't always come from big things. It can be music, sunshine, friends, or a warm cup of tea.
Talking about happy moments also helps us feel thankful. A thankful heart is a happy heart.
So think about it. What makes you happy? Family, friends, nature, food, or something simple?
Take a moment and smile. And don't forget to share your happiness with someone today. It brightens the world.
If you want to practice more, you can download our free PDF with the full script, vocabulary, and exercises. You can read it while listening or use it later for practice.
Tell us in the comments about your happy day. We'd love to read your stories.
Smile every day and keep your heart happy. Thank you for watching Learn in Success.
Stay positive and keep practicing your English. See you in the next video.
Remember, happiness is all around you. Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.